Hey designer, Alex here, welcome to the channel and welcome to this new video series here on the channel, which is all about designer money. Over the next 52 weeks we are going to explore how can we as designers make money. We are going to explore some more obvious ways and some ways you probably didn't think about and probably didn't take into consideration. So every single Friday you can check back here on the channel. There's going to be a new way and a new method for you to make money as a designer. If you don't like this week's method, you can check back next week and make sure to hit that subscribe button not to miss out, and you can also turn on those bell notification icons so that you're going to get notified every Friday when I launch a new video. This is the insert for my course 101 ways to make money as a designer, and you can check it out by going to my membership. A link is going to be down in the description below. You can check out my membership for all of my courses, all of my design products, practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So if you're interested, make sure to check out. A link is going to be in the description below. Now without any further ado, let's check out this week's method. This week's method is to become an affiliate. Now, as I spoke about it in the past here in this playlist, affiliate is somebody who is the connection between the brand and the viewer, in this case you. So for example, if you have a YouTube channel like I have and you're watching this video on YouTube, I can put an affiliate link in the description below. So when you click on that affiliate link, the company whose product you are going to purchase is going to give me a cut because I send you there. Now there are many different affiliate companies and you can check just a few. I have put my affiliate links down in the description below, so you can simply check some of these links and see which companies I like to work inside of their affiliate marketing programs for. But there are many different options out there. You can get started with Amazon, and from Amazon obviously you can send them the digital products as well as physical products. So whenever somebody purchases the product through your affiliate link, you are going to get the commission for the sale of that affiliate product. Obviously with Amazon is really tiny, it's something like 3 or 4%, something like that. But with some of these other companies, you're going to get fixed some amount. For example, with Skillshare, make sure to check out Skillshare, link is down below. If you sign up to Skillshare, I'm going to get $10 because I sent you there. But with some additional websites, and I'm going to leave just a few in the description below so you can explore which ones work for you and which ones are the right fit for you and what you are doing. You're going to be able to get something like $50, something like 50% of the sale, and the higher the price of the product is, the higher the money you are going to get as an affiliate is going to be. You can also go to dedicated networks like JVZoo, for example, and or share a sale, and then you can find products which you want to market there. For example, I really enjoy Wondershare Filmora. I enjoy Filmora Pro, and I edit all of my videos in Filmora Pro. So for example, if I put the link down in the description below, I can earn anywhere from like $50 to $100 to something like that. And with Envato Elements especially, it can go from $20 to $120. So it really depends and it really varies of the product or service or software you are trying to market. Where can you put these affiliate links? As I spoke about it in the past, you can do it in a YouTube video, you can do it in a course PDF, for example, you can do it in a blog post. For example, if you have a blog, you can indent it into the blog post text, and when somebody clicks there and buys the product, it's going to link back to you because you put that link there, you attracted the sale, and therefore that website is going to pay the agreed upon money to you because you brought that customer in. There are many different websites out there, many different services, products, software products that you can market, and there are many different ways that you can market this as an affiliate. As I said, just a few: YouTube, PDFs, freebies, put them on a blog post, whatever you want. But make sure to understand, you have to tell people, like I'm doing right here. When you scroll in my description below, you can see that I clearly marked that some of these links are affiliate link, and I'm going to earn a commission if you make a sale through that, if you actually purchase the product through my affiliate link. So you have to be transparent. You have to tell people that these are affiliate links, and you have to explain to them what it is so they know if they purchase They're not going to be charged more because they purchase through your affiliate link, but it's just nice to know. And in some cases, in some countries like in America, for example, it's legal for them to know that they are purchasing through affiliate link. So it can bring you a lot of money down in the future, especially as with all of these methods. If you have a massive audience, it's going to bring you more money. If you have limited size audience, it's going to bring you less money, but it doesn't really matter because it's just one of the ways that you can make money, which this playlist is all about. Once again, if you're interested, links are down in the description below, as well as my membership. You can check it out. I have all of my courses, design products, project files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship, and much more in that membership. So you can check it out. Link is going to be down in the description below. And start by becoming an affiliate. Explore what you really like to do. Explore the products that you want to promote. It's going to bring you a lot of value in the future. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found some value in it. If you did, make sure to press that like button. I upload new videos here on the channel every single week. So if you like this one, make sure to subscribe and make sure to check back next Friday when I upload a new video here to the Designer Money playlist. If you don't like this one, check back next week and see if that one is a good fit for you. And also don't forget to check out my membership. Link is going to be down in the description below if you want to get all of my courses, all of my design products, all of my practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship, and much, much more. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.